Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video by using the settings bar and just simply going to left. So here we are. Now let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about video we can manage. Now let's move to left to open camera settings. In video mode we have video settings at the first place with second position image stabilization, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also let's move back to video preview, because here we get access to really cool thing to stabilize our video better. So let's move up to the third from the left button. Here we can turn on steady video recording and also Steady Video Pro. So good to know that we have it. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave it a thumbs up.